Hi everyone, for today's video I'm gonna try to do another fix on my airbag lights. If you look over here, you can see that the airbag light is on, and last year I have similar issue. Basically my airbag light would come on and off while I'm driving, and I was able to fix that by replacing the fuse. But this time my airbag light is now constantly on every time I turn on my vehicles. So I look around the Odyssey forum, and there are a couple of suggestions that they said that you should check first before bringing your car to the shop. And today we're gonna go ahead and do that. But before we get started, please help my channel by clicking the like and the subscribe button, and also make sure to leave a comment down below if you have another way of fixing these things. Okay, so the first suggestion that they said is to look under your vehicle, and basically if you look here, you'll see a lot of cables here, and you want to make sure that all the cables are plugged in because sometimes they get loose, especially if you're putting stuff under your car. So make sure that all the cables are properly connected. Okay, so I just make sure those things are seated in. I make sure these things are seated in, and that one too. I think they all look good, but what I did is I pull it and put it back in, and let's go ahead and see if this will actually fix the problem. Okay, so let's turn on the car and see if that thing goes away. So it looks like by reseating all the connections under the seats, it actually fixed that issue. Also, you want to make sure to check the passenger side as well. I didn't do that. So if that doesn't work for you, you may want to look at this seatbelt connector right here. Because if you follow this right here, you can see that there is a cable there that actually connects to one of the connector under your seat. And it have that for both the passenger and the driver's side. Okay, and what they want you to do is make sure that you can clean the connector. You can actually disassemble this by opening it from here, or a lot of users just said to just basically spray this with contact cleaner and try to see if you can clean it that way. So make sure that you use an electronic contact cleaner because those are quick drying and those are for the electrical parts. So if you look here, I have this WD-40. I don't have to use this because reseating the connections have actually fixed my issue. But if that thing doesn't work for you, you may want to try this WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner. Okay, and this is for electrical parts. And if you were able to fix it, congratulations, you are now an official DIYer. Make sure to check my merchandise below and treat yourself with a DIYer t-shirt. And also, please help my channel by clicking the like and the subscribe button. And thank you for watching.